Hello guys, you are welcome back again to my channel. In this video I will be carrying you on a journey of achieving this senator front design. Actually, if you can see the design, this is a Lattice smoking design. So I will carry on how to achieve this front design. Please, I would not like you to miss any part of this video. And before I proceed, I would like to have a like from you on this video. Hit that like button, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button below this video and turn on the notification bell to get notified as soon as I upload a new video. And if you want to support our channel, kindly join our membership, and we have a special packs for you on that membership plan. Thank you very much, and let us now proceed with work. So I'm done with this Lattice smoking design. You can see it. This is actually the back view of the design. This is actually the back design. We turn the front for you now. And this is the front of it. So if you want to learn how to design this Lattice smoking design, or how to do it, I will leave the link on how to design this on the description below. I will leave the link on the description below. So go to the description, you see the link on how to work on this Lattice smoking design. So I've taken it to my table to apply interface on this Lattice smoking design. Let me turn the back for you to see. You can see the back. So this is the back. I just applied lighter interface at the back of it, or the wrong side of the design. And what again that is left now is that I will now place it in on the front of the senator, the front panel. So what we are looking at is on how to attach it on the front panel, and this is the front panel of our senator. This is the front panel, and please, I would like you to look very close to that the picture. You will find out that this design is actually situated at the right hand side of the front panel. So which the bigger design will be at the right hand side, while the smaller design will be by the side. Pardon me, the bigger design will be close to the chest of it, while the smaller design, what I mean is that this is wider and bigger than this. So this will be close to the chest area, while this will be by the side of it, but it will be at the right hand side. So what I will do is that I will take this front panel, I take up the front panel and cut it. I'm going to cut the front panel, cut it from by the side of it, and I will cut it from the side, cut it from this side and cut it straight to the bottom of it, and I will apply my interface at the wrong side, at the edge of the wrong side, apply the interface right down of it, then I will now fold it. After folding it, I will fold it, I take it to attach on the design. So just stay put as I do that and return back. So this is actually the design. I have cut it. Actually, thing is very close to the middle, or is at the middle of the senator design. So I cut it in such a way that after I fold it, it will fall at the middle of the front panel of the senator wear or the native wear. So this is actually the design. I've cut it, you can see it. It's actually one side of the design. So what I will do now, I will take this on to the to my ironing table, apply my interface at the edge right to the bottom of it, then I will fold it, making sure that the folding fall at the middle of the in between the two design the middle of the front panel. So I fold it, and then we meet at the machine where I will be joining it. I will be attaching the both of them together. I will attach both of them together. So we see at the machine. Thank you. I'm back from my ironing table. You can see it. So I'll be sewing right from inside here. You can see the interface which I apply. So I will sew along this line. So after sewing it, I will take it back to my iron table, to apply hemming gum on this area. But before I apply it, after sewing, I will remove this office pin which I use in guiding both fabric. Finish sewing it, remove the office pin. So I will go back to my table to iron it. After ironing, I will apply hemming gum so that it will relax. So I'm back from the ironing table. Now I finished ironing it. So what I will do right now is that I will be attaching my front facing. After attaching the front facing, I think that's all about the preparation of this front design. I will be attaching the front facing right now. So what I will do now is that I will guide it with my office pin. So I finished guiding the front facing with the office pin. So I will start to run my stitch right now. Actually, this is just a round neck. As I said, this is a round neck, not pipe neck. So, and it will be having a zip by the side. We're having a zip by the side of it. That is invisible zip. Give a notch to enable me to fold it very well. So I will remove the pin which I use in guiding. So I will take it back to the ironing table to iron it, and then I will return back for it. So I'm back from my table. I finished ironing, so I will run stitch at the edge of this front facing. But before then, I will still guide the front facing with my office pin to avoid it twisting or moving out of alignment. So I'm done with this. So I'm done with the preparation of this senator front facing. Thank you for watching. Please, if you are new to my channel, look below this video, you see a subscribe button, hit on that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to all to get notified whenever I upload new videos. And don't forget to give me a like on this video. Thank you once again, and may God bless you.